What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping in the next one on our Angie McMahon journey, exploding from the Treehouse session. Shout out to Judith for the request. I appreciate it. Let's go and see what we got. Let's roll. That's a hell of a treehouse.
I am wild. I am open. Rode a wide awake 180 by the ocean. I was fuming by the exit. Now I got all this space so I can finally digest it. And yes, you were a friend to me, but only till I let you see I couldn't breathe and you disagree. I hope I am always exploding. I hope I am always exploding.
Angie has one of them voices to when she sings, you seriously feel the impact of every single word in the sentence. It's ridiculous. Like, you go into it thinking, oh, I'm going to listen to another cool song. And then by the end, it's like, oh, it was kind of a life-changing experience of a song.
I hope I am always exploding. I see the stars, they're supernovae. I hope that I'm always exploding. Got a hard life on pretending. When I hurt somebody just by holding my breath and then gonna erupting instructions on people pleasing rain down like a bonfire on the ceiling. And yes, I did my best to hide that scary, silly mess till I could barely find my silhouette. I hope I am always exploding. I hope I am always exploding. I see the stars, they're supernovae. I hope that I'm always exploding.
Yeah, then let's go. Listen, I was somebody who was at the bottom, at the end of my rope, at the bottom of everything. I was very, very rock bottom at one point in my life. And you know what I did? I kept it all to myself and I tried to deal with all of the pain and all of the pressure and all of the emotions that were going through my body and all of the little whispers that were telling me to quit. Just give up on it all. I was there. It was me and my demons. And it wasn't until I finally just let it all out. Until I finally had an ear who would listen. Before all of that weight lifted right off my shoulders. I appreciate you all for being that ear. But it's through this channel that I learned how to really open up and let go of some of those feelings. And realize that I don't have to do things by myself. And realize that a lot of the things that I was going through were also hurting other people. by me not saying what was going on. The second that you open up, and the second that you tell somebody, and the second that you just get to explode and let it all out, I promise you, it feels so much better than trying to tackle it all by yourself. Just saying the words out loud. It's a massive song. It's a lyrically awesome song, and musically it's just, yeah, it puts you somewhere. It puts you right inside your feelings, especially if you've ever been or you are currently in that stage where you're just trying to bite the bullet and hold it all in. I can do this by myself. Just because you can doesn't mean that you have to. Jesus. Okay, first of all, I really, really want this treehouse for myself. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit jealous. But damn it, if it's not really, really real lyrics. Shout out to Unit for bringing me this one. I appreciate it. There's a lot of people out there that are, for years and years, are fighting through some sort of battle, and they're just holding everything inside. We may lash out at others from time to time. That pain can become anger. It can become so many different things. But that's our way of dealing with it. You don't have to do it by yourself. Let it out to somebody who's willing to listen. There's all kinds of people in this world. Someone gives a damn and they will help you share the burden. That's what I got to say about this one. Get over to Angie McMahon, all the love in the world. The link's inside of the description. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one I'm either combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.